Hey guys, Steve here with Steve's Tech Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive with the latest version of Windows 10. Before we can get started on that today, we'll need to know the architect of the PC we're reinstalling Windows on. I found the fastest way to discover this is just go to your Start menu and then type in System Information. And then from here we can see this is a 64-bit version operating system. Now moving on from here, we can just open up our favorite web browser and do a Google search for Windows Media Creation Tool. And then from here we're just going to click on the top link and download tool now. Once the tool is downloaded, go ahead and click on it to run it. Now this process will vary depending on the speed of your computer and the internet connection. Okay, so here we are, and we just need to accept the notices and license terms. Now we just need to select Create Installation Media, click Next. Right here is where we can see the architecture that we need to select for the PC we're reinstalling Windows on. This is why we needed to find the architect earlier at the very beginning of the video. So we're going to go ahead and select 64-bit here, and go ahead and select Next. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to use a USB flash drive, so go ahead and select Next. So I didn't have my flash drive connected, so I've done so, and I'm just click on this refresh button, and there it is. So now we can select it and go to Next. This process can take some time. It depends on the speed of the computer itself and the internet connection. We're pretty much done here. Check out part 2 of this video series on how to find the boot option key for your computer so that we can select this flash drive when booting it up so we can reinstall Windows. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks for watching.